guys, welcome back to another video. It's Friday and I'm so excited that I have a new video for you guys. So just about maybe 2 nights ago, I decided to do some press-on nails just for me, not to order, because sometimes I do need a break from acrylics on my nails. So I decided to do my own set here. And so as you can see here, I got these little stands from Amazon that I'll leave in the description box. I'll leave the link. And these press-on nails, I think it's BT Art Box False Nails is what the brand is, and I actually like it. It's very cute, it's small, it's convenient. So I'll be doing my press-on nails from now on this, you know, again, to get a little break from acrylic sometimes. And then the putty, I just got that. I actually got the putty from Amazon too. I didn't feel like going to Walmart or anything like that. So yeah, so let's move on to the video and let's see what I come up with. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with the Madame Glam Perfect White, and I'm going to only do 2 nails. These 2 nails is the ones that I'm going to be doing the marble with. And so I'm going to apply 2 coats of this. We're going to start off with 1 coat, and then we're going to go and pop it into the lamp, and then we're going to apply our 2nd coat. But you'll guys see exactly what I'll do. So here we're just going to apply our 1st coat. You want to make sure you get the full nail and do a thin coat. You don't want to do a thick coat. And then when you're done with that, you just want to make sure you clean up your sidewalls, make sure you don't have any gel running off to the sides. Alright, so now that these 2 are done, I'm going to move on to the other 3 nails, and those I'm going to use the Angel Wings from Madame Glam, which is a pink color, and I'm going to apply my 1st coat, a very thin layer, and then I'll move on to applying the 2nd coat. Okay, so here I'm done applying the 1st coat of the pink to 3 of the nails. So now I'm just going to take out the white nails that were sitting in the lamp, and this is what they look like. We're going to go ahead and apply the 2nd coat of the white. We're going to pop the pink ones in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we'll move on to doing the marbling on the white nails. Okay, so here I'm just applying that 2nd coat of the white, and this is the last and final coat. Once I'm done with this, we're going to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so here I'm just applying the 2nd coat of the pink, which is called Angel Wings from Madame Glam. And then once we're done with the 2nd coat on all 3 nails, we're going to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so now that I'm done applying the 2 coats of the pink and the white on the nails, I'm going to move on to the 2 white nails where I'm going to do the marble look. But first what I'm going to do is grab my buffer and remove the shine from both nails very gently. Once I'm done removing the shine, I'm going to take an alcohol lint-free wipe and I'm going to be removing the dust from them. Alright, so now moving on to the marble look, I'm going to be using the McCart Blooming Nail Gel Polish. And the color Lead is what they named it, but it's black. So what I'm going to do is, it's a brush on one. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit on the nail to create your lines however you like them to look. Like so. So I'm just doing lines pretty much. Alright, so once I'm done applying my lines, well, they don't really look like lines, they look like just splotches, but you know what I mean. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to dip my brush in acetone. And once I dip it in acetone, what I'm going to do is just grab my brush and I'm going to go on top of where the ink is so it could start dispersing. And then I'm going to keep doing this until I have the look that I want. And also you can keep adding more ink wherever you think it's needed and more alcohol wherever you think you want the look to be more dispersed. Okay, so I'm finally done with this nail. I finally have it looking how I want it to look. Now we're going to move on to the next nail. I already did my lines with the alcohol ink, where I think I want the lines. So now I'm just taking my brush with acetone and I'm just going underneath this one just to start dispersing the ink. And I'm going to be doing this with all the lines that I have on the nail to eventually get the look that I want. Alright, so now that I'm done with my marble look, I think it looks really cute, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat, and it's the one that I always use from Koopa. And I'm going to do this to both white nails. And then I'm going to pop it in the lamp for curing for 60 seconds. Alright, so now we're moving on to the pink nails. The pink nails, I'm just going to add 2 stripes of striping tape in gold. And I don't know about you guys, but I have a love-hate relationship with striping tape. It is very difficult to work with, or maybe it's just for me, but I can never just simply apply the tape and move on with my life. So I do struggle a little bit with it. I don't know why, but again, I'm going to use the gold. And I'm just gonna apply 2 stripes at the very tip. Sounds easy, right? But no, I had a hard time. Okay, so as you can see here, I already applied my first strip at the very edge of the nail tip, and now I applied the second one. It looks pretty easy here, but behind the scenes I struggled a little bit. But I'm gonna be doing this to all 3 of the nails. Okay, so here what you see me do is just I took my scissors and I'm just cutting off the extra before I top it off with top coat and pop it in the lamp. And I'm going to do this to all the nails, and then we're going to move on to see the finished look. Alright, so here I'm just applying the top coat. Again, I'm going to be doing this to all the nails. Don't forget to swipe down your sidewalls before you pop it in the lamp. And then I'm just going to grab the other nail, and I'm going to also be cutting off the extra striping tape on the side before I apply the coat, and be done with all 3 nails. All right, so I am done with all 5 nails, and I'm just placing them on the little nail display thing for you guys to see them all together, so you guys can check them out. Let me know what you think. I love the marble look. I think it came out really good. I think this is my first time doing marble actually, so I think it's super cute. The pink nails, I like the little gold accent striping tape, even though it gave me a hard time, but still super cute. So this is what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. Again, the display, I did get it from Amazon, along with the nail tip holders, and I'm going to leave the links in the description box. And so this is what this looks like. I do think they have the gold option as well, but I went with silver. And the putty, I also got it from Amazon. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested. So this is what the putty looks like, just white. I didn't want that bright blue one. So again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.